a little tip on how to touch up the hairline when it comes to a Demi-Color application, which you can use for your toners, your glosses, color balancing. However, anytime you need Demi-Color, how to touch up the hairline, and you can apply it at the station or at the basin. And I hope you enjoy the tips. So I have applied my color through the scalp and mid-shaft and ends. And I'm at the front where the hairline is, but as well you can use this tip around the ears or on the back. All we need to do, we need to take our color comb and we're gonna apply little color on the teeth of the comb, just like this little. And you wanna apply it on the side that faces the hair. And then we're just gonna go and slightly touch up those roots, like the perimeter line, all the way through and blend it. The reason for it is like if you get your brush, it's kind of too big. Same with the bottle, it's not the easiest. But with the comb, you can really roll in the color into that hairline and at the same time, keep it nice and clean. And those are baby fine hair, so it's a lot easier and it looks a lot more natural. I hope you enjoyed this tip, guys, and I'll see you soon.